Are you looking for math explanations that actually make sense? Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm Cheryl. If you're studying algebra, trigonometry, precalculus, calculus, linear algebra, or differential equations, you're in the right place. I have a PhD in engineering science and applied mathematics and over 25 years of university teaching experience, and I've seen where students have questions and need more explanations. I created this channel to provide free, high-quality instruction to help you move forward. Here, you'll find structured lessons, step-by-step examples, and free guided notes for every video. Because math is something you do, not just something you watch. My goal is to help you build understanding and real confidence in math. I'm glad you're here.